How to stop incoming calls while on a call on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, tap on Do Not Disturb at the top. Over here, you can edit and manage your focus settings. Tap on People as shown. Then, tap on Allow Notifications from. Make sure none of your contacts are selected. And then, tap on Allow Calls from below. Select Allowed People Only. Alternatively, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Here, tap on the Focus button. And then, select Do Not Disturb at the top to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily stop incoming calls while on a call on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.